Hi everyone, this video is a Google Sites tutorial on how to insert a button and a divider. So if you want to learn how to insert a divider or a button into your Google site, please stay tuned for this recording. If not, or you already know how to do those things, please go and see another Google Sites tutorial. Alright, so I have opened up my Google site, and your Google site may or may not look like mine. I'm going to tab over to Ziggurat, where I have started working on some different things in the Ziggurat page. Now, don't feel like your page has to look like my page. Your page is going to be all about the Ziggurat you build. Now, you can include different things about Ziggurats, which I have already included here on the previous video that I made. Now, I like to separate my sections with what's called a divider. And if you go into Insert and you go down, you can find the word divider, and it has a little line, almost like a minus symbol, and if you push it, you get a little line down here. I like it to separate my sections, and I'm just going to drag and drop it where you want it to be. Again, remember, anything selected is going to be blue. And you can kind of drag and drop it, and it's going to show you the blue line where it's going to go. So I want it right here, and I want another divider, and I'm going to push divider again, so that whatever comes next, I can put below the divider line. So that's basically putting a divider. If I go back to my home page, you can see I have a couple dividers. Ooh, I want one right underneath city state. So I'm going to push divider. And, oh, it's yellow. That's pretty. You can kind of see the dividers there. I'm going to go back to Ziggurat. And so that's divider. Now I'm going to show you how to use a button. So under Insert, if you go down, it's the fourth one down. It's called Button. And I'm going to push button here. And if I want to include a video or a link to a video on YouTube about a Ziggurat, so maybe I put Ziggurat video, and now I need to go find a link. So maybe I want to go to YouTube and I want to search Ziggurat, and now I've already found some Ziggurat videos that I like. Here's the one we watched in class, the 10-minute one, and there's another one here. But maybe this is the one I want. So I'm going to go there, and I'm going to go to the top and just copy the link that's on the top here. And I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my Google site, and I'm going to paste the link. Right click, paste it right there. Okay, again, if you want to insert a button, I'm going to start over just to show you again. The fourth one down on Insert's button. You're going to name it. And you're going to put the link here. So if you're in YouTube and you find the video you want, you're going to right click, copy it, copy the URL. So lots of windows open up here. And you're going to paste it and push insert. And now it's going to give you a little button down here. Now your button might be a different color than mine, but it's there. And if you click on it, you get this little yellow bar. And sometimes if you type a lot, you're going to need to make the bar bigger or smaller, depending on how big you want it. Let's also move it to wherever you want it. Maybe you want it on the right here, or maybe you want it underneath, and it will insert it. I'm going to undo because I don't really like it right there. You know what? Let's put it underneath the picture. That'd be fun, right? So it changed it white because of the yellow background. And to check and see if your link worked, you can go to the top where it says preview. Right here, it looks like a little Elmo. And that's going to show you what your website will look to somebody who's on a laptop screen. You can get different views at the bottom here. Tablet, how it will look on tablet, how it will look on a phone. So we're going to go large screen. And if you push it, let's see if the link will work. It should link you right to the video. So I know it works. I'm going to go to the X and close that out. Another thing you can do, I like to make a home page button on all of mine. And you can get your button. And I'm going to say Mesopotamia home. And when I push link, do you see there's a home right here? That goes to your home page. So you can link within pages in your website. I'm going to push insert. And I like to put my home page always at the bottom of wherever I am. I guess it's kind of at the bottom right now. You can put it on the left, the right, wherever you want it. And you can't see the word home, right? So I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And let's center it back up a little bit. Doesn't like that. A little finesse here. All right, so I'm going to go to preview again. And you can see that my button's there, and if I push home, it takes me to my home page. So you can link within pages too, which is kind of fun. So that's the basics of using the divider and the button. So feel free to add those to your Google site, and I hope that helped.